This will be fun. So let's get going. First of all, a good drizzle of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Put the frying pan to high. My previous one, I used a painting brush, my previous video. That looks great. Now, while it's warming up, we can crack the eggs. So this is super cool. There's the first one. And this frying pan is perfect for 3 large eggs. I might talk about this frying pan in a moment. But as you can see, right now it's on high, and all we need is put a lid on it so we don't have to worry at all about it not cooking evenly on top. You can actually throw in 4 eggs in this frying pan. This frying pan, again, I'm not promoting and I'm not getting any sponsorship of any sort. I got this frying pan from Amazon, The Rock, for less than 10 bucks. The reason why I'm doing this video is I love adding a quick protein pack meal whenever I need it, or a snack. And the best thing about this is, oh, I hear it. I hear it sizzling. Oh boy. And I love olive oil, all the health benefits. Protein pack, meal, snack, whatever. You can throw this on top of a chili or your favorite stir fry. You can see it really sizzling. So we're gonna put it on medium now. Still put the lid on. Look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt, fresh black pepper. Oh, the smell from the olive oil is amazing. And I like the smoky taste of paprika. It looks cool too. So, only a couple more minutes the way I like it. Super easy, super fun, super nutritious. No need for a spatula of any sort. We're going to just slide it on a plate. Look at that. If there's a lot of heat on this side, you could just move the frying pan around to evenly cook all 3 eggs. Please leave a comment. When I first did this way back, a lot of people put comments about adding a little bit of water on top in this area. So when you put the lid on top, it creates steam with the lid. You can use any kind of lid. I'm using a glass lid so you can see what's going on. But any lid will do. These look amazing. And this frying pan, I still can't believe it, for 10 bucks. Super easy to clean, super easy to fry. Medium hot heat, start off with super high, get the frying pan going. Just the health benefits alone of extra virgin olive oil. If you don't like EVOO, you can always use butter at the base. And we're almost done. That's simple. So leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Any non-stick frying pan will work, especially with frying eggs. You don't want anything other than non-stick. Look at that. I would say this is over easy. I'm going to turn off the heat. If you want it to cook a little bit longer, you can have the heat off and you can let it cook a little bit more. It's again your preference. Look at this. And then all you have to do is slide it on a plate, get some toast, and go crazy. Once again, leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And of course, something super easy, super healthy, and of course, delicious. Beyond Cool, signing out. Hit that subscribe button.